Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's podcast. Thanks so much for being here. Today, we're talking about making new friends and building real connections with others. Making friends can feel scary, but it doesn't have to be. Let's explore this together. Making new friends as an adult feels harder than it did before. We have busy schedules, work responsibilities, and less free time than before. We also fear rejection more now than we did as kids. But everyone wants connection and friendship deep down inside their hearts. Most people feel just as nervous about making friends as you. Remember, you're not alone in feeling this way at all. A simple smile is the easiest way to seem friendly and approachable. Smile at people you see regularly at the coffee shop or gym. A warm smile tells others you're open to talking and connection. Make eye contact when you smile to show you're genuinely interested. This small action can open doors to conversations and friendships naturally. It costs nothing but means everything to someone feeling lonely. Don't wait for others to approach you first every single time around. Take a deep breath and say hello to someone new today. Ask them how their day is going so far right now. Most people appreciate when someone makes the first move toward friendship. The worst thing that can happen is a brief conversation ends. The best thing is you make a real friend for life. Join clubs, classes, or groups that match your hobbies and interests well. When you're doing things you love, you meet like-minded people naturally. Shared interests give you easy topics to talk about together always. Try a book club, sports team, art class, or volunteer group nearby. Show up regularly so people start recognizing and remembering your face. Friendships grow stronger when you see people consistently over time. People love talking to someone who truly listens to them without judgment. Ask questions about their life, interests, and feelings they want to share. Show genuine curiosity about who they are as a person inside. Don't just wait for your turn to talk about yourself only. Pay attention to what they say and remember small details later. This shows you care about them and value the friendship deeply. After a good conversation, suggest meeting up again sometime very soon. Exchange phone numbers or social media to stay connected between meetings. Text them something simple like, "Great talking to you today," afterward. Friendships need effort and time to grow into something strong and lasting. Check in regularly, invite them to do things, and show up. Consistency is the key to turning acquaintances into real, true friends. Building meaningful friendships takes time, so don't rush the process too much. Not every person you meet will become your best friend forever. That's okay, and it's completely normal in life and relationships. Keep putting yourself out there even after awkward moments or rejections. The right friends will come into your life at the perfect time. Stay open, stay kind, and stay hopeful about making connections always. Making new friends is possible at any age or life stage. It just takes courage, effort, and showing up as your authentic self. Remember, friendship is a two-way street that requires effort from both people. Start small today with just one friendly gesture towards someone new. You never know which hello might turn into a lifelong friendship. Thanks for listening, and I'll catch you next time on the podcast.